So we're going to start a little mini orchard here. Right here, we're going to put Orient pear. Over here, this one is, I think it's Concord grapes. Might have to check with the guy that I got them from. It doesn't have a label on it. And then we have Mephley plum, golden sweet cherry tree, and then down at the bottom, that's a red delicious apple tree. So we just had that tree removed last week. So open up all this sunny spot, because I was going to put them along that row over there with those trees, but they'll get more sun here, and like this is like a wasted slope. Nobody's gonna be over here doing anything, so why not put the orchard over here? Plenty of sun on this side and on that side during the day, now that my neighbor got his tree cut down. So we good to go. So it come in handy breaking this stuff up, shooting through the rocks and all that stuff. So this is my fourth tree. One more to go after this. I'll take a video when I'm done. Alright, so got finished the mini orchard today. Got your Orient pear right here. And then next to that, this is the Concord grape. Golden sweet cherry. Red delicious apple. And then the last one is the Mephley plum. They look pretty good. Wasn't too bad for a day's work. Well, a couple hours work. Hopefully they get enough sun. And that's that.